Hello, my friends. Today we're going to talk about the blocks that are related to signals. In general, we have several blocks like the mux, bus creator, mux, in and out. We do this process when we have a lot of signals and we want to transfer them from one part of model to the another part, which this can decrease the dimensions of the signals. I told that there are many blocks in the Simulink which have output signal with large amount of data. We should use bus selector in order to separate the data. The bus creator is same as the bus selector. Also, we have in and out, which, as I said before, they mostly are used in subsystems in order to connect the subsystem signals to the main model signal.